Easily record, edit, and share your Zoom recordings. First, let's configure your Zoom settings and open the Content Manager. Click Connect in the upper right-hand corner. A menu will appear giving you several choices. There are 2 ways to send your recorded video meetings from Zoom to your video editor. Click here to connect any locally saved recordings from a folder on your computer. Click here to choose a folder. You can change the folder location at any time. To enable editing of your cloud recordings, click here to connect your Zoom account. Log into Zoom. You'll need to grant access to ScreenPal. You are now ready to edit your Zoom recordings in the video editor. Please note that cloud recordings may take up to 24 hours to be processed by Zoom and appear in the Content Manager. Click on any Zoom thumbnail to import your Zoom recording for editing. You will notice that your Zoom recordings will display the recorded date and time. For the best editing experience, you need to adjust your Zoom settings to optimize for video editing. From the Zoom app, click on Settings. From here, scroll down to Recording. If you store your recordings locally, click here. For cloud recordings, click Manage and then sign into your account. Go to your Settings, then Recording tab, and check Optimize for third-party video editor. Easily enhance your recordings with overlays, cut sections of your recordings, add text for clarity, and more with this Zoom video integration. Create, share, and experience video with ScreenPal.